In this video, I'm going to show you how to request a refund for YouTube TV if you've been charged incorrectly or want to cancel your subscription. First, open the YouTube TV website or app and log into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings. From there, go to the Membership section and scroll down to find the option for Cancel Membership. While YouTube TV doesn't offer refunds for partial months or unused time in most cases, you can still contact their support team to explain your situation. To do this, visit the YouTube TV Help Center online and submit a request through the Contact Us page. Make sure to include details like your account information, the reason for your refund request, and any relevant transaction IDs. If you canceled your subscription but were still charged, emphasize that in your message. Refunds are granted at YouTube TV's discretion, so it's important to be clear and polite in your request. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand how to request a refund for YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.